We live in the loudest era of human history. Between notifications, news cycles, and the constant chatter in our own heads, our listening ears are exhausted. If faith comes by hearing, what happens when we can't hear God over the noise of the world? Welcome to Day 3 of Faith Foundations. Today, we're learning the art of the spiritual mute button, how to tune out the world so we can tune into the Word.
In the Bible, we see that God often speaks in a still, small voice. He doesn't always shout to get our attention. He expects us to draw near to listen. Think about a radio. If you are one notch off the frequency, all you get is static. You might know the music is there, but you can't hear the melody. A lot of us are living in spiritual static. We want the sight, the vision for our lives, but our ear is tuned to the wrong station. Tuning out the noise isn't just about silence, it's about selection. It's choosing to believe that what God has to say in 5 minutes is more important than what the world has to say in 5 hours. Your Day 3 challenge is simple but difficult. The 5-minute fast. Find a place today where you can be physically silent. No phone, no music, no podcasts. Just you, your Bible, and a listening ear. Read one chapter. Try Psalm 23 or John 1. And just wait. Don't rush to the next thing. Give the living word space to echo in your heart. When you lower the volume of the world, the frequency of faith becomes crystal clear. Faith doesn't grow in the noise, it grows in the stillness. Tomorrow, for Day 4, we're going deeper. We're moving from the ear to the heart as we talk about the heart's receptor. I'm Matthew Padiachi, and this is Faith by Hearing. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow.
Shh. Can you hear it? The world is screaming, but he's whispering. It's Day 3. Let's find the frequency. We're living in the loudest age there's ever been. Notification, news cycles, and the digital din. The chatter in our heads never seems to take a break. Our listening ears are tired from the noise we make. If faith comes by hearing, then what do we do when we can't hear the heavens breaking through? We're hitting the mute button on the world tonight, tuning out the static till the signal's right. It's the art of the silence, the choice to be still. Move the dial just a notch, let the melody clear. Tuning out the noise so that faith can appear. He doesn't always shout, he doesn't have to yell. In still small voice, he's got a story to tell. Like a radio's there, but the signal is soft. You're looking for vision, you're looking for sight, but you're tuned to a station that's stuck in the night. Selection over silence, that's the key. What God says in 5 minutes is the victory. His whisper has the weight, his whisper has the power. So draw a little closer, leave the rush behind, and see what a listening ear can find. Here's the 5-minute fast, the challenge for you. No phone, no podcast, nothing to do, just you and the word, let it echo and ring. In the space that you give to the King of Kings, read the psalm, let it breathe, let the volume go low. And the quiet of heart is where the faith starts to grow. We're hitting the mute button on the world tonight, tuning out the silence, the choice to be still. Move the dial just a notch, tuning out the noise so that faith can appear. The world gets quiet, the faith gets loud, from the ear to the heart.